Hey y'all, thanks for joining our tour of Glimmering Greenhouses, the Christmas overlay at Living with the Land. It really is a really special ride. The greenhouses are full of just so many Christmas lights, ornaments, as well as a holiday narration track too. The line is much longer at Christmas time than it is the rest of the year, so come along and enjoy. We also get to see some luminous fireworks in the background. Enjoy the ride. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to our glimmering greenhouses, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture illuminate the wondrous gifts we receive from the land. Join us as we bring in the most bountiful time of the year. During snow, but one of the most important holiday crops actually grows in the tropics. For centuries, farmers in Central America have cultivated cacao to make chocolate are able to enjoy a variety of sweets and keep warm with a cup of hot cocoa, thanks to this tropical plant. Think of holidays, you might not think of fish, but seafood is an essential part of many festive meals. In the hearts of southern Italy, family and friends gather once a year to celebrate ridden with a 7-course seafood feast. Name up just some of the dishes served during this grand meal. Today, in the United States, the tradition is known as the Feast of the Seven Fishes. Citrus, like the oranges grown here, are common in Florida in winter. They're much harder to find, making them an extra special stocking stuffer. During Chinese New Year, these vibrant fruits are given as gifts of good fortune. And in this greenhouse, we're celebrating the holidays by giving back to the land using innovative farming techniques. By recycling water, we can give plants rich nutrients. By giving plants ladybugs, we're able to control pests and reduce the need. We give them better protection from disease. Can grow in abundance of fruits and vegetables. This greenhouse grows a bountiful 15 tons of produce each year. Many of the plants you see here help spice up the holidays. The leaves to make cinnamon sticks. You like eggnog? You can thank nutmeg for its signature taste. Add flavor to a variety of holiday cookies, cakes, and other delights. By cultivating these festive plants with care and good cheer, Epcot scientists are able to celebrate the holidays with the land's many gifts.